Did you get lost coming over here? Or what happened? I mean, I understand we've only been living here for a couple of months, but did you get lost? I was right here.
I see you hamming it up for the vlog. Hey, it's Rhianna and...
Oh, you hit the damn button?
Yeah.
Oh, son of a...
You're a liar?
I really didn't know you
You're a liar. Hey, it's Rhianna. Welcome back to my channel. This is my husband, Jonathan.
Nope.
Hey. And we got our July Keto Krate, and we figured we'd do a tasting and unboxing real quick. Wanna open it?
Where's the other one?
We used it for steak, and so it's still open, sitting next to the sink.
Huh, okay.
It's not my responsibility to clean your pocket knives that you use as kitchen utensils.
Work.
Ah! You cut towards me. I could have died.
You were going to die. What the hell's going on over there?
Well, I like to get an action shot of the inside of the box as we open it. Go.
It's an action shot as we open the box. Okay.
All right. So as usual, the first thing we have here is the card that tells us everything about it. I feel like you're gonna take too long with that. Then we got some more cards and wow. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. So this is. I just lost it. Oh, here we go. This is the Crunchy Melt Deluxe de Leche. Is that how you say it? Dolce de Leche. Dolce de Leche. Okay, 0 grams of fat, 0 net carbs, $7.99, crunchymelts.com. They're meringues.
Yeah.
I'm very excited about this, by the way. I did see a spoiler for this, and I think like one other thing that's in the box this month.
30 calories per serving, sugar free.
I love meringues. Oh my gosh. How many can we eat? 10 cookies? Oh my gosh, we're ordering these.
They're good.
Yeah, but it's 0 net.
Yeah, it's from sugar alcohol.
It's 12 total. Excuse me, that was incredibly rude of me. Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're good.
The caramel taste is really good.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, so yes to these for sure.
Yeah, this is good. Good one.
Crunchymelts.com. Check them out, guys.
Okay.
Alright, next we have this air cheese.
Air cheese.
I love snacking. 7 grams of fat, 1 net carb, $1.99. ilovesnacking.com.
Cheddar crunchy cheese bites. Alright.
So it's, oh, we've had these. This is
Yeah.
just a different, we have these in the pantry right now. They're just like these little like moon cheese.
Yeah. Good. I actually like that one better than the one we have.
This one is a little bit denser.
I think that's what I like about it.
What's next?
Let's see, we got an Ultima Replenisher Sample Pack. Electrolytes, pure plus simple.
These are super popular with the keto community on Instagram if you're on there. So it's 0 net, 0 fat, 90 cents each, ultimareplenisher.com. They're for drink mixes. So I usually don't actually taste them on the video.
Tells you a little bit about it. Okay. Flavor we got. Cherry, pomegranate, and raspberry. Cool. Just little things put in water bottles.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like a keto Crystal Light sort of.
Yeah. Cool. Fat Fit Go Tropical Margarita.
Okay, so this is Knead and Squeeze Energy Blend. 24 grams of fat, 2 net carbs, $3. Fatfitgo.com. So it's an energy pack.
Oh, okay.
I guess it's not too bad.
What the hell?
Just try it.
It's not bad.
It's weird because it's like it's a lemony because it's tropical margarita flavored. So it has this like lemon lime taste, but there's a butter. It has nuts. It's chia seeds and almond something, and so it's very weird to have lemon.
I don't like it.
Butter. All right, this is the featured product. This is the new birthday cake cookie. 25 grams of fat, 2 net carbs, $3.99, and it's eatnewinui.com. So there's 2 cookies in there.
Yeah.
I didn't like it. I liked it. And I think I ended with liking it. It's obviously sweetened with erythritol.
Yeah.
Because it has that cooling effect in your mouth.
Not a fan.
It's not my favorite keto cookie, but
Yeah.
I mean, I'll eat it because it came in the box.
Right.
What we got next?
We got, oh, that from the card from earlier. Keto banana. What the?
Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do.
Oh shit. Keto Mana, ketogenic chocolate wonder food.
Okay, so it's gonna be like kind of like the other one.
Yeah, it's gonna be another.
So this is $2.45. bsynchro.com. 20 grams of fat, 2 net carbs.
Hey.
You know, I'm tracking right now. So how exactly am I gonna track tasting all these things?
Oh yeah, you're fine. Definitely doesn't look appetizing. I don't like these things. I don't like these things.
Are you gonna try it?
Yeah. That's good. I like that.
Ugh. Ugh. Got a lot. I didn't mean to use so much.
I like that.
I mean, yeah, it's good. It's chocolatey. It's really good. But like, whoa, that was a little much in my mouth. All right. Up next, we have 3 jerks. It's like a beef jerky.
I can't believe it's not hamburger jerky. Meaty and delicious.
It's $11.99. 3jerksjerky.com. 3.5 grams of fat and 5 net carbs. That's
a lot.
I feel like that's kind of high for a jerky. We don't usually get, like, keto approved jerky isn't usually that high.
Yeah.
It's soft. I love soft jerky.
Yeah.
Oh. So the reason why they say you can't believe it's not a hamburger is because it tastes like mustard. I don't like it.
It's not bad. It's not my favorite. It's got better jerky, but it's not bad.
I don't like it.
I'll be taking that to work.
Yeah, you can have it. I'm not fighting over that one. All right, so now we have Keto Watt.
Yeah.
It's $3, ketowatt.com. It's a peanut butter bar. 14 grams of fat and 4 net carbs. It looks and smells like a Quest protein bar. Like any of those.
Yeah, Quest type bar, yeah.
It's good.
Not bad.
That's oily.
We got 3 more things to go. What we got? Paleo Ranch All Natural Kippered Beef.
All right, so it's a meat stick.
Yep, meat stick, 100% grass-fed beef.
It's $2.49. Paleoranch.com. 0.5 grams of fat and 1 gram of net carb.
Doesn't want to open.
You're probably doing it wrong, and if you would just let me there. See, I'm trying to show you. Look at that. So difficult.
What the hell was that?
First of all, we're eating this and like we're going sweet, cheesy, sweet, beefy, sweet, beefy again. Next time we need to we're gonna do this a little bit better. No, we're not doing that and then this. Okay, Now we're coming to Nick's Sticks. These are grass-fed beef snack sticks. It's 8 grams of fat, no net carbs, $3.25. Nicks-sticks.com. Okay. Wait. Alright, you want to say it.
Yeah.
Did you do it again?
Yeah, no, I did not.
I just want to say that I'm the female in the relationship. What are you doing? Ah! I'm gonna choke. I like these, obviously, as I'm like scrubbing it down.
Welcome.
Prep my meat stick up. Alright, last but not least is this.
I don't wanna.
It's Nativa coconut oil buttery flavor. 14 grams of fat, 0 net carbs. This is a free sample. And it's nativa.com. Oh god! Hey!
How's that buttery meat stick?
Oh no, it's leaking.
Oh god.
Oh.
Oh my god, you done messed all this up.
Oh, that's buttery though. It's good. Get back! It's good though. Yeah, we could like bring that to the movies.
Movie theater. Yeah.
And put it on the popcorn that we're not supposed to be eating.
I'll do it every once in a while.
We could take this keto approved buttery flavored coconut oil, which isn't even necessary because we can have butter.
Yeah, I know. What's up with that?
And then put it on top of the not approved popcorn.
That is not a napkin.
Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this Keto Crate unboxing with Jonathan.
Oh Lord.
He's been in a couple of them. There'll be a link up in the eye for the playlist for the other Keto Crates. If you're interested in purchasing one for yourself, I'll have a link down below. There is a rewards program if you use my link. I'm not sure what it is though. This isn't sponsored or anything like that. We actually subscribe to this because we like getting it every month. My favorite thing was definitely these.
Those are good. Those are really good.
So, if you would like to support my channel on Patreon, there'll be a link for that as well. And yeah, I think that's everything. All right, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
You're gonna eat all those tonight, aren't you?
No. How many was that?
I don't even know.
7?
I think so. You're going for 10.
What is it sweetened with? No.
What?
Ingredients: isomalt. And I was like, oh, I don't see maltol or whatever it's called. And then I keep reading, and it says isomalt. Excessive consumption may have a laxative effect. And that's the #1 ingredient. And I'm so sensitive to this.
Oh my god, that is amazing.
I should have known. It was super good. You gotta